Hey guys, Jimmy here, and today we're back with another quick video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your rear bumper on your xj40 and also your front bumper and lower front splitter. I'm getting the car ready to be panel and painted, so that's why I'm removing these bumpers to start off with. So yeah, just a quick video and I'll show you guys how to do it. Very simple, probably about a 20-minute job. So to start off, you want to remove two 19mm bolts from the rear bumper. As you can see in the video, they're just right underneath where your exhaust would be, near the end of the bumper on each side. It's also clipped on the sides of the bumper. It's just a clip, so it slides right out. So once you remove these two 19mm bolts, the bumper just slides right out. And then all you have left to do is disconnect the rear tail lights from the bottom bumper, and it's as simple as that. The front bumper again is exactly the same, two 19mm bolts in the same place with the same clips on the side. Unbolt those two, the bumper slides right off. Make sure to disconnect all the lights in that, you don't want to be snapping any wires. So on the lip, remove these two front vents so you can get access to the 10mm bolt needed to take off the lip. It's just 4 screws holding in the vents. Then you just have 2 clips holding in the under tray to the lip, and also just 2 clips on the side. You loosen those and it'll just slide right off. Here, the clips here, they just have like a oval washer on them, so it holds the lip tight in place and you can adjust it. Just keep in mind too, if you're sovereign, you'll have headlight washers, so you'll have a hose connecting. I completely forgot about that, so you can see water spilling everywhere, so just keep that in mind. And with all those taken off, the bottom lip will just pop right off, as you can see here. So here's my lip. It's pretty damaged. It's going to take a bit of work. So that's about it. Very easy job, very simple job. Takes about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on your experience. You don't have to jack the car up. You don't have to lift it up. You don't have to do anything. Everything is accessible as the car stands. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.